Hi friends, I'm Audrey Ann and welcome to 1824 Walker Farmhouse and welcome to our farmhouse table. Today I'm going to be making recipes with zucchini and sharing them with you. Well, the easiest thing to do with zucchini is to steam it or roast it in the oven. But today I'm going to share two recipes with you that I think are very easy and delicious. The first one is zucchini pizza. You can make as much as you want. Make a little amount, a large amount. I have my pan filled first with parchment paper. I love parchment paper. So you're going to take the zucchini, cut the ends off, and then I cut them into 1/4-inch slices. Then you're going to put the slices on your cookie sheet and just fill it up. After that, you're going to put pizza sauce on each circle. David and I last year made our own pizza sauce, and to be honest with you, I don't think I'll ever go back to store-bought. It was delicious. I'm hoping next week we can make some more because our tomatoes are finally coming on. After you have this all filled, the pan with the pizza sauce, put your mozzarella on it. I like to buy the mozzarella blocks and then just grate it as I use it. You can put anything on top. You could put mushrooms, onions. I made these plain with just the mozzarella. And then you're going to just fill the whole pan up with the mozzarella cheese. It's okay if it goes over. We like Parmesan cheese a lot, so I really loaded on the Parmesan cheese. This is what it looks like before you put it in the oven. I bake it at 350 for 20 minutes. Very easy, and this is what it looks like when it comes out. Now I'm on to my zucchini bread. When you cut zucchinis from the garden, I always try to get like a medium-sized one. Not too small, and you don't want them too large. So you have grated zucchini in this recipe. There's nuts in it too, and you can omit the nuts if you don't like nuts, but we always put nuts in everything. You mix all the wet ingredients together, and then you're going to add the dry ingredients. And as a rule of thumb, it's always good to do your wet ingredients and then add the dry. That makes better consistency in your bread and it's not as lumpy. It takes a while to stir this all in together. One thing I like about this recipe, it really is easy. One year at Christmas time, I used red and green cherries. I used the frozen zucchini, grated zucchini that I had thawed out. Usually have to do double. If you freeze 2 cups, you usually need 4 cups because there's a lot of water and you have to squeeze out the excess water a lot. And I put them all in those cute little aluminum foil pans and wrapped them up in some Christmas cellophane. But now they make really nice little baking paper pans and muffin paper cups that you can use for gift ideas, for all kinds of, put stacked cookies in them or cake. I love to buy those. Anytime I see them that they're on clearance or for sale, I scoop them up. And that's what I'm going to do with this recipe. A bunch of us shepherdesses are getting together, and so I thought this would make a really cute gift for everybody. I'm going to put them in the pans. And later on, after we're done, David and I are going to do a taste test. Aren't those paper baking pans cute? I really like how they turned out. And they also came with a really nice little gift tag and the cellophane paper that you can put them in. Oh boy, I haven't made this in a long time.
No, you haven't. But every time you do, there's a story behind it. Audrey Ann Zucchini Bread. I used to often pick my mom up after work and I'd bring her out and I did one day, and Audrey Ann made zucchini bread that day, so she offered my mom a piece, and my mom said, "Oh, sure." Me and my mom both share a sweet tooth, God rest her soul. But she tasted it and said, "This is not bread, this is cake." And she said it punctuated like that. So every time we eat this, guess what we say? This is not bread, this is cake.
But the recipe does say bread, but it does taste like cake, so yeah, she always, "This is not bread, this is cake, Audrey."
And it just brings back the fondest memories of.
It does.
Yeah.
It does. Oh, so what do you think about doing YouTube so far?
I like it. We're used to having a store and having people and having farm tours and whatnot. And we still do it, but we don't have a store no more. We still do farm tours, but it's slowed down a little bit with COVID and whatnot, and our kids, grandkids and stuff changing. So it's our chance for us to share our farm and our collections in our Walker house and some of our stories, just like we're sharing with you right now.
Right. Well, I'm still not used to being in front of a camera. And the other night, I can't believe I could put that on. I was trying to do this thing and talk and the selfie thing, and it wasn't working for me. Yeah. And it was at the end of the day, and Dave says, "I'm just going to film you." I said, "I'll go put my makeup back on and do my hair." He said, "No, you're good. The sky's pretty. It's good. We're going to do it." And I did it, and I put it on, the one with the grandkids, and I actually think I was shaking. And yesterday, making the zucchini bread, I was a little nervous when David was filming me, but today I'm better doing this, and you know, it is fun. I was thinking of even doing like a biosecurity class, like about the sheep and biosecurity on the farm. When we started farming, there wasn't a lot of talk about that. So
the world got smaller and more pests and diseases or whatnot came in. So
that might be something fun to do.
Yeah. And the real answer is we don't know what we're all going to do.
Right.
Not only do you not know, but we even know less than you folks. So
maybe they could give a suggestion.
Yeah.
Would you like more of the Walker house?
Yeah.
Recipes, sheep classes. Yeah. We've been shepherds for since 1992.
Okay.
1992. So I feel like our vet was just here, and she was really impressed with our sheep knowledge. So that was sort of neat, you know. Yeah. So anyhow, thanks for coming, and tell your friends about us. We hope you subscribe and
stay tuned
for
who knows what.
Thanks for being here. I hope to see you real soon.
Bye.